What up, guys? Just give me 1 second. 1 microsecond, and I'm ready. I need to check. I will send the link very soon. Just give me a moment. Just give me 2 seconds. This one. Okay, perfect. Okay, what's up, guys? Okay, what's up, guys? How are you doing? How are you doing, guys? Can you hear me? 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Let me check if my mic is on. It should be on. What up, guys? How are you doing? How are we doing? Just like what a beautiful Monday, guys. Let's see what we can get. How are we doing, boys? Hello, Nico. Welcome, Daniel, PT, Elviro. Welcome, Jelum. Welcome. Welcome, Sahi SK. How are you doing? Everything good? Nice Monday? Yeah. We are heading towards the buy zone, so let's see if we can continue the momentum. That would be great. Hello, Pius Moloto. How you doing? Welcome, John. How you doing, John? Welcome, buddy. Can you hear me well, or do I need to put the mic closer? Give me a moment. Let me try to fix it. No, just give me a moment. I think this is better. How to compare the price in Exness? This is not for Exness, brother. So. Is it better now? Perfect. How are we doing, guys? How are we doing? Let me make the price look a little bit better. The first one is only monitoring. The actual zone is the potential buy zone. That's the main one for today. The monitoring zone is only maybe. The potential buy zone is 100%. Welcome Romeo, by the way. Welcome Dalmin. How you doing, buddy? So let's see if gold can do some magic. We're trading at 60.61, so we're getting that. A nice, beautiful Monday. Looking forward to trade. Yeah, I mean, I'm very excited for what's to come now. So, from where you take the potential zone, 3343.9. Can you show the catalyst? What do you mean by catalyst? I don't know what the catalyst is. How's your Top Step account going? I bought a new one for the group today, so we're starting on completely fresh today. Oh, you mean candles? Just if you go on the 15 minutes, you should see a morning doji. So hello, Zach L. Mastery. How you doing, brother? Has your summer been fine? I mean, the weather in Denmark this summer was so fucking bad. Like, it was disgustingly bad. Fucking worst summer ever. You're welcome, Palios. You're welcome, buddy. Time frame? It's made on the 15 minutes, the setup. But I will tell you when I enter, so we take it together. The weather in Norway has been insanely good. That's lucky from you. Hello from Hawaii. Oh, Hawaii, bro, that's a beautiful place. Oh shit. I wish I lived in Hawaii. I'm jealous of you, man. Welcome, by the way. Welcome TP50. It's good to have you back again, man, as well. From now on, guys, it's gonna go crazy. I'm finished with all the things I needed, like behind the scenes. It took literally like all 25 until now to finish. It literally took 6 months to do all the stuff I had to do. So from now on, it's just like TikTok again. Do you prefer 1 or 2 lots in passing phase? I mean, I use all the way up to 5 contracts. But for you guys, I use the 1 lot, so I make it as hard as possible. So if I can pass it with the like hardest level, you can probably do it with higher lots. If that makes sense, what I just said. I use 1 lot to make it as hard as possible. So if you use higher lots, it should be easier. I think you understand what I mean. I will shut up. FOREX, if you saw the post I gave you in the group, you can see I only used 1 lot on the one I passed last week. That was only 1 lot. Ready to log in again? Yes, sir, buddy. Ready to log in. It's gonna be very nice. We just need gold to give us some good setups, and we're gonna be printing like always. All the stuff that's about to come is gonna be so fun. It's gonna be insane. But you prefer to use 35 because TP is more smaller? Yeah, you pretty much just use it to speed up the progress. That's pretty much what the contract size is how fast you want to do it. Of course there's risk involved, but it's still a time machine. So if you use 5 contracts, that means you wanna do it in 1 day, so it's totally fine. I actually, if you watch the pin video, I actually told you to use as high as possible and then you have to use the risk settings I gave you under the settings to lock your account if you don't follow it. It's gold, yes, it's gold. Justin, welcome back. This is gold. I'm happy you're back live again. I appreciate it, man. And I promise you we're gonna get some banger trades in the future, and hopefully today we're gonna get crazy stuff coming. Finally, after 6 months of doing shit. Five-minute time frame? No, the setup is made on the 15. The setup is made on the 15. We just need gold to continue the momentum down. Good morning, Sibushio. How you doing, brother? Welcome, Joes. What's up, guys? If my pricing GC is and yours is, are you pricing GC 17? Wait, what? I mean, on my, it has to be GC set. It has to be GC set 25, not only GC. It has to be GC 27. 25, sorry. On YouTube, it's TradingView, so you don't look at the prices on TradingView. That's my bad. Only look at the key level I gave you in the group. Best setup 15-minute or 30-minute time frame in crypto. I mean, I don't really know. I mean, it depends on the setup, I guess. Or maybe just diamond holds. I don't know. Come on, Goldie. I know you want to take my money, so just come and take it. Hello, Pharaoh. How you doing, brother? Welcome. I'm also doing fine, bro. Looking forward for the first trade today, so we can kick off the challenge with a banger, with a double V. No, David, because I spent the time on passing the one I sent in the group, so I didn't really focus on the other one. I focused on passing it so people could see that one lot is possible. Already secured 500 on top step. Let's go, buddy. That's insane, bro. Then remember, if you take my trade, you can only make 1,000. You have to remember that you can only make 1,000 then. Just so you don't reach the consistency rule. Becoming into your trading, into your best trading months. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I actually forgot that. Yeah, last year this time was absolutely insane. But last year this time we also were in a trend, a monthly trend and a weekly trend. We haven't really been trending on the past eight weeks. Has been I think it's 14 weeks we have been consolidating in the same area. So we need some kind of higher time frames movement so I can like catch a runner that's like 2,000 pips. It's hard to get a lot of pips when we just reverse every single high and low. So. Oh shit. Is it GC set 25? Yes sir, Shay is a set. It is. It's not set C, sorry. Shay C, it is. It's correct. Just follow that and you should be good. And then copy the key level I gave you in the group and then just wait for my call and then we print. Doesn't get easier. It does not get easier. It is free money. We're still drilling at 61, so let's see if gold can be a good boy and get our fill, our entry. I think Devede is actually one of the guys who has been watching like from the beginning till now. That's absolutely insane to think about. I appreciate it, Devede. I mean, we should get married, low-key. I think you watch all the way back when I was speaking Danish on the channel, and you still stick to the channel. That's absolutely insane. One, 2, or 3 lots. Wahil, it's actually up to you. You just have to put on the settings. You just have to use the rich settings I gave you in the video. If you have those settings on, it's up to you how fast you want to do it. As soon as you go live, gold stops moving. Yeah, that's basics. That's how gold behave. David, you used to watch when I was speaking Danish, right? Like the first like 5 days or something? I think like all the way back. I think I remember your name all the way back from when I was speaking Danish. Which is like fucking, that was like the beginning of the beginning. Yeah, that's crazy. What makes you stick to the channel so long? Like what makes you stay? Besides all the banger trades, of course. Maybe that's the reason you stay. All the good trades. I don't know. I mean, I will do the same. If I found myself, I will fucking be watching myself all the fucking day. And I will do exactly what I did. If I found someone do it. Mostly the banger trades. I've never seen something like that. I appreciate it, bro. I mean, if I found someone else do the same, I would watch them. Yeah, the same way. So. I started from when you had not yet changed name. You mean No Risk No Rari, right? I think that's where the most people actually found me on TikTok. And then I had a break and now I'm back on YouTube. I mean, TikTok was just insane days. I was, without a doubt, the fastest growing guy on TikTok. And then the TikTok just decided to fucking remove it. And I was like, damn it. Your way of trading is different. I've never seen something like this. And I have seen many people. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, it is a very unique. And when people see it, they think it's not unique. People think they have because I make the boxes. Because other people also make boxes, but they don't understand where the boxes is placed, and they think it's like other people. But once they watch for like 1 week, they understand this is a completely different game. Nobody can do the same as me, and I fucking love it. I'm going crazy. My chart looks completely different. Just look at the price. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter about the candles. All that matters is the price I gave you in the group. That's the only thing you have to copy. Sign Forex is to make it visible. I also only look at the blue line. I don't really care about the green box. The green box is only to make it visible on the YouTube. Because if I just made one line, people don't know if it's a buy zone, sell zone. So by making it green and then put the buy zone on, people understand what it is. That's the only reason to do it. I don't trade from the box. I just use the box to make people understand what I'm looking at. If that makes sense. What time frame do you use in trading? I use pretty much all time frames. Are you live from your phone? No, I'm live from my computer. I just made it so on phone it looks better. I think I did it so you can watch from the short platform. Let me check if I actually did it correctly. I think it should be watchable on. Let me see. How do I put it in the short format? Give me a moment. Oh, I can see on. Bro, I started following you last year. What I can say is nobody does it like you. You taught me a lot of patience. Thank you. I appreciate it, bro. Puso Moloto. I mean, as long as you're watching, man, I love you, man. I appreciate you still watching. And also the nice words. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. Post. Did you find me on TikTok or on YouTube? I mean, if you've last year, okay, that's on TikTok, yeah, of course. Hello, Pass Foreign Exchange. How you doing, brother? Dun, dun, dun. Why is gold doing this to me? Come on. Just give me fill, please. I would appreciate it. But the good thing is now I can go live as well after the stream. So if we don't get filled now, but we do later, I have the time to go live. So it actually doesn't matter what time of the day we get filled, because as long as we get filled, we're gonna get filled live on YouTube, because I can go live the whole day. So that is actually pretty good. Because gold is evil. Yeah. I found you on TikTok around July. Oh shit, you have been watching since July, bro. That's literally 1 year you have been watching me now. I appreciate it a lot. I appreciate that a lot. That's a whole damn year, bro. That's a whole damn year. That's a lot, dude. I love it. If it might be a New York trade instead, I guess. Might not happen in London. I think this push was kind of the move to get filled. But it can still happen, we just gotta wait, I guess. Why did you decide to trade gold instead of currencies, and have you backtested just traded anything else than gold? I just found it that gold is moving very aggressively, and I love the risk involved in that, because the risk on the other side of the coin is also profit. So I just love gold. I just found it very, very nice. I can't explain it. It's kind of like a psychology reason. And also because if you catch a runner on gold, you're gonna make so many pips that it's fucking insane. Where if you trade Euro USD, if you catch a runner, it's like fucking 100 pips, and on gold 100 pips you can make that in like one candle. When on Euro USD it's like 5 days of fucking progress. So I just love gold. Gold is my little baby. What is the potential buy? I posted in the group. It's 3396. 3396. Three, 3396. But it looks like we are smelling or something, because gold is running away again. Someone in the chat didn't shower this morning, so gold decided to run away from us. So it's pretty sad, unfortunately. Selling to your zone, that's not a good idea, bro. Just because I have a buy zone doesn't mean the zone is gonna reach the buy zone. So it can still go up from here. So it's not a good way to approach it. But yeah, we just gotta wait and see if gold can do some magic. Oh yeah. Come on, gold. It might be a London, New York trade maybe. Let's just chill and wait and see. No reason to rush things since I'm back now daily, so we're gonna get a lot of good trades every single day from now on, hopefully. Sign Forex. If I get filled, I will tell you the break even and stop loss and TP. What do you mean to explain why? I mean, I can do that as well if you want to. Ding, 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 ding. Let me check on some time frames if we have a sell, because sells could also be a good option. Just have to make sure we don't sell too early if the pullback is steep. Where could it be? Where could it be? 344. No, 3455 could be an option, but that's on the 4 hour time frame. That's a pretty steep time frame. I will post a sell zone in the group if I see some. Sells is still a decent option. Let me check. Okay. So yeah, let's wait and see what's gonna happen. I'm open for pretty much everything. Instead of just praying for RR to hit, yeah, I understand. But Sin Forex, if you use this the risk settings from the video, while passing the challenge, it should actually be more praying it hits the target. On your live account, you can be you have to adapt, but when you pass the challenge, it's just about doing it as quick as possible. But I can still explain it to you when I do it, but you know. Come on, gold. Looks like gold is heading down a little bit again. That would be nice. Just want that beautiful trade so we can make some money. Jesus Christ, gold, like, why are you doing this to me? I went live because I thought we would get filled, and then the price just reversed on my ass, man. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. My cheeks is getting clapped by gold. Gold has just been gold, yeah. I can see PB48 is number 1 on the leaderboard currently on this stream. Check 5-minute anchor. I'm pretty sure there's not a 5-minute anchor. Just from my... Let me see. I don't see where you see the anchor setup yet. It has to reach at least 24 and then pull back to like 19. If I'm looking at the right, I can't see the setup you're looking at. I can see a anchor setup above, but I also think buying in this area is not a great idea. I think we should wait for a steeper pullback. I mean, the potential buy zone is a banger, so if we hit that level, we should be good. Hopefully. Oi, oi, oi. Mamma mia. Pizzeria. Even can you text me on Telegram? It's easier to text you because I don't know if you're on the right website since you say there's not much information. Can you find my Telegram? And I can explain the stuff too. John, did you change your name on YouTube? Because your name is not John on YouTube. Did you use a different name? By the way, even this is my Telegram tag. You can just copy it and text me if you have any questions, of course. Oh. Sorry for that. Come on, gold. Can you please move your butt? I think we're gonna get filled in New York session, if I have to be quite honest. It doesn't look like we're gonna get filled in right now. But let's just wait and see. You know, it's gold, suddenly move could happen, so. I'm Mr. Old Kanye. I'm Mr. Bow. It seems to be respecting that area, so might have a reversion now. I mean, yeah, maybe. We just gotta wait. I might also have a sell zone, so it doesn't really matter what direction it's gonna go. Sells and longs look both decent. The long position look better though, but we just gotta wait and see. We might be lucky that we're gonna get a nice trade. I mean, gold is just sleeping, and I'm gonna sleep as well soon if it doesn't move. But the good thing is I am now able to go live the whole day. I wasn't used to that, used to be able to do that. So it doesn't matter if we get filled in fucking Asia session. I can still be able to go live, so we good. So no matter what happens now, I can go live, which is beautiful. Yeah. 10 to 12 hour stream again. I mean, when we get a good runner, we can celebrate it by a long stream where we hold the whole position instead of going off. That would be quite fun. That would be fun to try. So yeah, let's wait and see. I forgot the key level on futures. Give me a moment. 3396. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. We're gonna build this brick by brick. Just use a normal bank. Wait, what are we talking about now? Yo, what's up, Yuri? All in one. How you doing, brother? Just a view. What do you mean by just use a normal bank? The fuck? By the way, for those people who cannot buy on TopStep, I'm currently in a solution to find. I might have another prop firm you can use for those people who are not allowed on TopStep, where you can use the same strategy and just follow the key levels. So yeah. I love TopStep. Me too, man. I love it. It's so fucking cheap. It feels like cheating. You can literally only lose 50 bucks. That's it. Like, what the fuck? What strategy do you use? I use the blue line strategy, my friend. The blue line. Did you prep before today? What do you mean by prep? Do you mean prep by fundamentals or prep like making food for the gym? Daily candle read? I mean, I don't need the preparation. I've done it so much, so I can just go on the chart and I don't have to do preparation. I mean, what do you want to do preparation for? When you wake up and the whole Asian and early London move has been printed, you can't predict that anyway, so it doesn't really matter what you do the day before. You have to see what the price does. And if you trade every single day, if you trade Friday till close, you know how it's gonna look on Monday open. So you just gotta have a good memory, I guess. I mean, I don't know what you mean by daily candle read, because the daily candle opens when the market opens Sunday night. So basically Monday morning. So, and you don't know how that's gonna be printed. And as I said, if you traded Friday, you already saw the previous daily candles. So you have all the information you have during the trading hours. Your preparation should go into well sleep and good food and no stress. That's probably the best preparation you can have. It's sleep and then no stress. Make sure you done your work before or after you're going to trade. That's number one preparation you can do. In my opinion, of course. If I don't get sleep, I know that I might not trade London session as well, so I'm gonna, yeah. You know what I mean. It looks like I might have to go live in New York session, because it doesn't look like we're gonna get filled. Looks like gold is just moving around like a bitch. So we might have to go live in the next session, I guess. Gold is not really moving. How many pips away are we? Let me check first of all. Yeah, we're still a decent amount of pips away, so. And I might have a sell zone at, where was the sell? Let me check. I might have a sell at 63 or 54. I have to check which one is the higher probability, but I mean, we actually looks decent on both sides on the coin, so we just gotta hope we're gonna reach one of the levels. So no matter what levels that gets filled, I'm actually pretty happy. So we actually look pretty good for the day. So I'm gonna get some food, and then I will put a alarm on the screen. So once we get close again, I'm just gonna go live straight away. So make sure you have your notification zones, because this time I will actually go live. I had to do some personal stuff the past 6 months that didn't make me being able to go live again, but this time I'm actually able to go live again. So when I say I go live, I actually go live. So see you guys later today. Hopefully we reach close to the buy zone. Love you guys. See you later today. Just remember to have notifications on so we don't miss the trades. I know you're gonna regret it if you do, but nonetheless, see you later, guys. Love you all. Kiss your mom for me.